welcome back to my channel. Got my baby with me. You're so cute. Tell everybody hi.
Hi.
Timmy is going to do my makeup today. You gonna do my makeup? Are you being shy? Why? You wanna do Mommy's makeup? Bubba is gonna bust out his makeup artist skills and he's gonna do my makeup. You ready? You ready? Show everybody what palette you're gonna use. You're gonna use that palette.
Mommy makeup.
You can use these 4 brushes. Mommy will let you use those 4 brushes, okay?
This.
You can use that one. What color are you going to use?
This.
We're going in with the color Daring. Put on Mommy's eyes, okay? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Am I gonna go on a date with Daddy with this makeup?
Yes.
Does it need a little more, or you think it looks good?
Good. Mommy, we're good.
It looks good? Oh, I love it. That's the color Personal. Do you say Personal?
Personal.
Oh, putting hair on the face and everything. What other colors? You gotta... That's the color Polite.
Pink.
You want to use the pink one? That's called Jive. You look good?
Yes.
I feel like this eye is getting more of the color.
Yes.
Oh, it is? Oh, we're just mixing them, huh? Okay. Go ahead.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
How come watercolors? Watercolors. Hey, I do all of them.
That's a lot of colors.
Okay. See what happens. Watercolors.
Do I look beautiful? Yeah? Okay, so you know how Mommy does her eyeliner? And Mommy's eyeliner? Scared. Yes! Okay, you give me like a cat eye. Yeah, you're doing so good. That's the best eyeliner I've ever had.
Yeah!
Show everybody what eyeliner you used.
This.
This? Oh, we're going in with more?
Okay.
Oh, this is what we call a smoky eye. Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. Why are you going straight eye? You're gonna poke my eye out. You go. Oh. You're not supposed to. Oh, at least this I do.
Mommy, you.
Okay. I got little freckles or something. What are you gonna use? That's a really good job. Yes. Looks like I'm wearing no makeup at all. Oh, I look fabulous. Real good. What are you doing? Oh, okay. I guess my forehead's getting it too. Oh, and my chin.
Eyes.
My eyes.
Nose.
Now what about lipstick? What color do you want to do? Red? It's a pretty red. yes. Oh, I am ready to go out on the town.
I like that.
Is my makeup done? Do I look beautiful? Alright guys, this is the finished look.
And it's good.
Do I look beautiful? Are you gonna be a makeup artist one day? You are? If you guys want me to do your makeup, just DM me, and his prices are fair. Right? Yep. It looks so good. Thumbs up.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!
Bye.
Say bye!
Bye, everybody.
Bye everybody!